Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. My family has owned Pivot Stove and Heating since 1876, and I'm the sixth generation when it comes to wood heating specialists here in Australia. Me personally, I'm a licensed registered plumber who's installed over 10,000 wood heaters. So when it comes to installing heaters and knowing a little bit of flues, there's a few things I've learnt with my career I'm going to show you right now why you guys should be looking at the insulated flue kits when it comes to putting these on your wood heaters. Today's installation is what we call a typical wood heater installation. The client is very specific in the position they want the heater, dead center to the windows. Upon finding our center, we check the timbers in the roof cavity and we find out we have an issue. The timber position in the ceiling means a typical air-cooled triple skin flue kit won't fit. These are 250mm diameter and they require 25mm clearance. The timbers will be too close for this type of flue, and the heater will have to be offset to the windows by 30mm. Changing the flue to an insulated room seal flue kit. This flue is only 200mm diameter, but still requires a 25mm clearance at the timbers. This smaller diameter pipe means that we can now get the clearances needed to get the heater perfectly positioned to the center of the windows. One huge advantage is the way this flue is installed. All the weight of the flue is on the heater. No need to suspend any flue within the roof cavity. And with this job, where the ceiling cavity is way too small, the flue today is going to save hours in time of installation. Joining the flue, this twist lock joints give a secure seal. No need to worry about cutting pipes, and locking it together with these locking bands which are supplied makes securing the pipe really simple. And being able to put the cowl on the flue before it's attached, all these things add up to a simpler and safer installation. The finish is really important. In the room seal flue kit is painted with a Stow-Bright metallic black paint. It's the exact same paint your heater is painted with, so any scratches or any touch-ups are done with ease to match the heater and match the flue. Outside this home, we are really close to the beach, and the salt air on a traditional flue will deteriorate it very fast. This flue installed today is all stainless steel. The cowl, the bracing, all stainless steel. And it's the only flue I'm aware of that comes with a 7-year warranty, even so close to the beach. Now we have a finished job, a happy customer, and upon lighting the heater, the wind starts to pick up. And noticeably, this is where the real benefits of this flue is really obvious. It's quiet. The insulation in the flue deadens the noise by up to 80%. So as you can see, there are so many things that happen during your wood heater's installation that may not seem important when you're buying a heater, but when you go to install your wood heater, all these things make a difference. So that is the insulated room seal flue kits. If you want to know more information about this, or you want to try it on your next job, check out pivotstove.com.au for all the latest information when it comes to insulated flue kits for your wood heaters.